Today we are going to meet a new member. Hi robot. How do you do?
Hello, sir. Fine.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Robot Stella. How can I help you today?
Stella, please introduce what can you do?
I can do a lot of things, like chatting with you, teaching you language, gathering information, etc.
Okay, Stella. Tell me a joke.
Sure. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired.
Ha ha ha.
Welcome to KT's Techno Teach. Now let's see the procedure for creating a chat with robot. For that, you have to visit Vidnoz AI. You have to sign up using Gmail account. You can get a dashboard where you can find templates. Then, you can select the robot chat template and create a script for the conversation with each scene. Finally, have a preview. If okay, click on the generate option. The video will be ready to download in a few minutes. That's it. Try it out, thank you. Bye.
It sound right, boys.
Hi. You have enjoyed learning robot chat in KT's Techno Teach. Keep watching. Thank you so much.
மற்றொரு பயனுள்ள வீடியோவில் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி.